Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are offering the Dolls Rescue Channel is offering a challenge for Tiny Baby Halloween. That's all of your anything. We don't care. You can use a bitty baby, and that's fine with us. These are little silicone babies, much like the Zuru, but different. This one is less than 2 inches, smaller than a Zuru. They come as a pair, these two silicone babies, on eBay for less than $7, including shipping. I'm having so much fun with them. These I made for a challenge or a collab with uh, Dory's Dollies and Tina's Reborns and more. This is Witchy Poo. I made her little outfit. Darren printed the cute little cradles. I made her hat out of felt. This is my little goblin, and Darren printed his dagger and sickle. He's on burlap. And I made this little mobile out of skeleton keys. But those aren't the ones I was going to show you today. I just brought them out to show them off again. That was a very fun challenge. I actually made, let's set her down so you can see her hair. Thanks to J Dolls UK, I did some rooting and it came out kind of funny. And I thought, you know what? That's perfect for Baby Wednesday Addams. Okay, I'm doing this over white paper so that you can see what, or maybe see what I'm doing. I'm cutting little bitty pieces of thread. Darren made this tool. I don't know if you can see how tiny this needle is, and he made it a little holder with a 3D printed piece so I could hold it. I'm using thread for her hair, and you are about to find out. I usually hold that down, but it's, well, let me try. I've been pulling this tight and holding it on each side, but as you can see, I got this one a little bit short. And then I just, and you can feel it break the skin. You really got to push it. There it is, breaks the skin. And now you know why Wednesday Addams wears braids. And I made her little costume, her little dress. I actually glued the collar on and the I sewed the Velcro. And then sewed little seed beads down the front for her little dress. And she has a little troll doll that Darren 3D printed that I put gray hair on, and this little pram or baby buggy, we call them here in the US mostly. Uh, this was from the Dollar Tree in the shower items, like if you're having a shower. I think they came 3 or 4 in a package, and I spray painted it black for her. And she rides in that with her little troll. She also has a little cradle, a little black cradle. And this is Uncle Fester as a baby, and he too has a little troll doll with gray hair. And I'm quite proud of my little Uncle Fester, my little ball-headed boy. These are made after the TV show, not the current Wednesday on Netflix. And I made his little outfit and the little collar to go with it. But look, he has a light up bulb in his mouth. It is a Christmas or a charm from Hobby Lobby, and I split his mouth so he'd hold it like a bottle. Let me get it back in, and just a little bit of fun. I did not put a closure on here. That's why I'm readjusting. Uh, with these tiny dolls, you add so much bulk with even a snap, even those small snaps. It just adds so much bulk to the tiny dolls. So this is what I made for my Tiny Baby Halloween. Thank you for watching. And if you're participating today, would you let us know in the comments so that we can come by and see your Tiny babies too? Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Happy Halloween.
Oh, we didn't do a song. Oh, I can't do the one I'm thinking. People won't think it's funny. Alice Cooper.
Oh, yeah, no.
What is a different one? What is a cutesy? And you can dress your dolls up any way you want. Just set a baby by a pumpkin if you want. That's just fine.
How about Addams Family?
Oh yeah, let's do Addams Family. Perfect. And that was on our list. All right. So down in the comments, add a line to the Addams Family theme song from the 1960s. They're hooky and they're spooky.